Hi, Valerian. Come on in. Gonna make some coffee?
Yeah.
All right, come on in. Meaning of coffee to me. Coffee is a wonderful beverage that just starts my day. Because I've been drinking it since I was very, very young, it has a deep resonance. And so when I prepare and enjoy a cup of coffee, I'm really connecting to all the years, so many years of my life where I've enjoyed the flavors of coffee. It's all a connection to my family history, to a world of people that enjoy this remarkable beverage that it tastes amazing and it makes you feel great. The flavor of coffee I find just complements other foods. If you're eating something creamy or sweet and you add coffee to it, it's just, it's one of the most delicious experiences. Coffee inspires me to get together with people and share a cup. It inspires me to play music, particularly on the weekend when I don't have to rush off to work. The music that jumps out of my hands and head is just spirited by the coffee, and I really recognize that and enjoy it. I guess it's because it starts my day, and musically it's kind of at the root of most things I play is the blues, and that's kind of the root beginning, and so I like to just get started from the beginning. I enjoy having a connection with the people that produce my food, and if I can have that opportunity, it's a unique opportunity. So often our food is brought to us from so many places, and we really don't have that connection. But yet, I grow food myself. We have chickens; they produce our eggs. That experience of being closer in contact with a person that has produced the food, the personal connection is just, it makes life rich. Yeah.